To change Siri's language, start by accessing your iPhone's settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Siri and search. Tap on Siri and search to open the Siri Settings menu. In the Siri Settings menu, you will see an option that says Language. Tap on Language to view the list of available languages that Siri supports. Siri supports a wide range of languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and many more. Browse through the list of languages and select the language you want Siri to use. Once you select a language, Siri will start using that language for all interactions. It is essential to note that changing Siri's language will not affect the language of your iPhone's interface. Your iPhone's interface language will remain the same, and only Siri's language will change. Additionally, you can also change Siri's voice and accent to match the language you have selected. To do this, go back to the Siri Settings menu and tap on Siri Voice. In the Siri Voice menu, you can choose from a variety of voices and accents for the language you have selected. For example, if you have selected English as Siri's language, you can choose from American, British, Australian, and other accents. By following these steps, you can easily change Siri's language and personalize your Siri experience to suit your preferences. Remember to restart your iPhone after changing Siri's language to ensure that the changes take effect. It is also important to note that Siri's language and voice settings can be changed at any time. So feel free to experiment with different languages and voices to find the one that works best for you.